In ancient Greece and Rome, cobwebs were widely used as a household remedy for wounds. Greek physicians, including Hippocrates, advocated for cobweb application on cuts to reduce blood loss, noting its absorbent properties and how it encouraged blood clotting. Soldiers and field doctors would often place spider silk over wounds during battles to help stop bleeding, a practice that became integral in ancient wound care. During the Middle Ages, cobwebs continued to be used extensively as a natural bandage. Battlefield conditions in Europe meant soldiers often lacked access to professional medical care, so they used cobwebs to cover cuts and wounds, finding them highly effective in controlling bleeding. This practice was so common that households sometimes collected cobwebs in advance, preparing for potential injuries. Although ancient healers were unaware of the antibacterial properties of spider silk, they likely observed faster healing and fewer complications when using cobwebs. Today, studies reveal that cobwebs contain natural antimicrobial compounds, which help reduce infection risk. Additionally, spider silk contains vitamin K, aiding in blood clotting, and its protein-based structure makes it both strong and flexible, holding wound edges together much like stitches, while keeping the wound moist to support healing. Despite seeming unconventional today, cobwebs served as a resourceful and effective method for wound care for centuries. Don't try these. Kindly subscribe for more educational and informative videos.